Yeah, Mom, you rock!
You rock, dude!
Ow.
Mr. Dude, you rock!
I think it's awesome. You rock.
Babe, you rocked up there. You rock. I am a big fan.
And you rock! Yeah! How'd I do, Miss Scribe?
You did good, Danger. You did real good. You're my man. You rock.
Maybe I'll write it about you. You're just so inspirational. Girl power. You rock.
Thanks, honey. It doesn't matter because you were great.
You rock, buddy.
Felt great to rock.
It felt great to have a kid who rocked.
All right, then. It looks like I will be teaching you how to make a cake.
Yay! You rock, Bree.
I rock.
You rock, Dennis! Elizabeth! Piggy rolls!
Rent just went up. 100 more a month. That's the cash price.
Okay. Yes. Hey, you rock. Thank you. Thank you. You won't regret this.
And in addition to first and last, I went 2 more months.
We were in the middle of sex, and you fell asleep.
No, that's not true. No, best time ever. Yeah, you rock my world.